Hi, everybody.
Hi.
It's cold outside today.
Today is snowing. This is what we look like when we have our snow gear on. Snow pants and the snow. The clouds are white. There's a lot of ice on there.
Icicle? What is that?
It looks flat. It's nice. But
Is that a broken piece of glass?
I don't
or
know.
From
Maybe
the
it's plastic.
From the
Maybe
jar,
plastic.
the container that you guys broke.
Yeah, maybe. Why is the plastic break? I broke it. I broke the ice.
See all the ice.
Mommy, come look out here.
That's a big icicle.
Ow.
Where'd you get that from? We found that in the grass.
It's ice on
Your pants are fat? That is gonna show. If you scratch it up, it won't be wood.
Can somebody set my jacket up? Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome, son.
There's big ice. Daddy, look on your wheel. There's ice right here.
Oh, my hands are out. I'm trying to keep my hands out to record, and it is freezing.
Now let's go explore the front.
Let's just go to the front yard. Everything is all iced up.
I don't think we can go through. Daddy, we need your help.
Yeah.
Whoa. There's a lot of snow. Mommy, look at your car. Whoa.
Mommy's car is all iced up.
Whoa.
Oh, it seemed like it melted a little bit because yesterday it was much thicker. The ice was much thicker yesterday.
Mommy, like the snow? It's so thick. Ice. There's snow everywhere. Daddy, can we don't look on top of your camera? Mom, Daddy, can you hold me out so I can uncover that? Someone's over here. I'm gonna cover this one. It all melted up. Look at the sticks on the trees. Guys, stick ice and the tree. It just turns into pieces when you just pick it. When you try taking off the ice and you pull on this, instead what you get is this. Broken. It's just,
It just breaks off, huh?
yeah, you can't even take the ice off without breaking it. Mommy, watch me. Let me try. Well, there's snow here. A white snow one, guys.
Ooh,
There's a thick layer of ice. Can't even walk on it. It's frozen. Oh man. Why is my broccoli? Actually, cucumber. Just stand on this. And it's slippery. Because it's a cucumber. That's a cucumber. Oh, look at this, guys. A frozen leaf with a bunch of snow on it. It's frozen. Look, this is even stuck to it. Wow. Long piece.
It's called an icicle.
Let's get this icicle and keep it as a pet forever. Ah! The other one died. That's This is the results of what you pick when you pick grass. Just frozen. The poor neighborhood is flooded by ice.
Fine.
One of our dogs. Oh, guys, it fell. I found this left out.
Everybody's indoors and we're the only crazy ones out here playing with ice. Whatever.
Let's warm this place up.
All iced up. My lantern.
Ice here, and then this is what it looks like with ice. This is what it looks like with ice. And this side, it shows no ice.
No ice.
And then the mailbox. The mail.
No ice.
Now you guys might want to see what a mailbox.
Let's go see what the mailbox looks like.
The mailbox is frozen. It's been cracking a lot. And then this side is not frozen. This side's frozen. And how come the street isn't frozen? And it has no, and you can barely see any snow. It's confusing, right?
Yep, no snow on the ground.
Hey, Mommy, I found a lot of ice and snow.
You found a lot of ice?
Yep, and there too. There is ice, just complete ice. When you're blocking your truck, you'll see a lot of ice in there too.
Really?
Inside the truck bed, huh?
I'm done. Let's look at this Wonderland. I want some massive.
Wow, sheets of ice in there.
Thick.
Look
What
at
if
this.
we spray our driveway so that way it gets all iced up and then we can ice skate on it?
Snow! Let me see. Snow! Oh no! The snow fell because of him! It's ice! It's ice inside of this McDonald's cup! Let me see! Hold on, wait. Even this has icicles! I'll get it out! Wait!
I
Whoa!
don't know if your tree likes it over here, babe. Mike, quit being destructive and breaking everything. Throw it in the garbage.
Okay.
Don't break my tree though.
You think it'll survive this winter?
I don't think it will.
Poor tree.
It'll come back.
Really? Okay.
Summertime. Hey, hey, hey. Don't break it.
It did good this summer.
Yeah. It'll come back.
Liked all the water.
It had time to acclimate. So. What are you doing?
Collecting snow again to dump it on my head. Now it's snowing.
These are all frost. They're called frost.
Well, this is a lot of frost, guys.
You can have frost in your refrigerator too.
Wow. Wow, even on the handle. There's some up here. I'm gonna take that, please. And thank you. It's starting to flurry on me.
It's all inside the house.
Can somebody go get my lipstick, too? How about we dunk some on my mom's head? How about on him? Yay, now he has snow on his hat.
Careful. Gentle.
Can you get me on there to get all the ice? I mean, all the snow. Winter Wonderland here. Yeah. I'm going to go on Winter Wonderland. Whoa. Guys, check out my hair.
Trekking on snow. On ice.
Look at my hair, guys. I have new white. I'm turning old because of this snow. Ice on this, guys. Ice on
A
the
thick layer
fence.
of ice on the fence.
Ice.
Wow.
See? To tell there's
You can see.
you can see
Because
it.
there's a reflection.
Good daddy.
You can see the reflection. Wow.
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
We're gonna go inside for now. Say bye to everybody.
Bye. We'll see you in the next part of this video.
We came inside
We came
to
inside
thaw.
the thaw to get warmer.
Yeah.
And we're waiting for the snow to get thicker to make another video in the snow. Cause right now it's cold. And we have to warm our hands.
Look at my hands, super red because I had.
And here's the
I
joke.
kept my hands out of the gloves just to film.
And here's a joke, guys. If you look at the back of your hands, you'll notice it looks like the back of your hands, right?
What?
The back of your hands looks like.
Oh, it's all red. My hand's red. It's so cold right now. It's still freezing.
And my mom is still wearing her snow stuff. She still has her scarf and her snow pants. Yeah.